These peanut butter cookies might just become your favorite snack. With peanut butter, flour, and an egg, you can actually make these delicious peanut butter cookies. And trust me, they taste so good. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're very welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for always coming back. Today we'll be making peanut butter cookies with ingredients you might have at home. First, we'll be using peanut butter, of course the star of the show, and then an egg. I didn't use up to 2 eggs for this recipe. And then about half cup of sugar, baking powder, and flour. I used a cup of flour and about half cup of milk. Start by first measuring out about a cup of peanut butter. Go ahead to use whatever measuring cup you have to measure this out. You can proceed to add the cup of peanut butter into a clean bowl. Then next you can add your sugar. When this is done, mix it very nicely till it turns smooth and creamy. Ensure to combine this very well before you go ahead to add 1 egg into the bowl. When you add your egg, you can proceed to mix this up, but make sure you do not overmix, because if you do, it's going to thicken and form a dough. So just mix it up a little and proceed to add your flour into the bowl. Well, I just sieved my own flour into the bowl. Make sure to always sieve your flour every single time you want to bake. Never use an unsieved flour because sometimes it contains unnecessary particles. With clean hands, just go ahead to mix up everything together till well combined. Do mix this properly. When that is done, go on to pour your milk and mix everything together to form a dough. I'm so sorry I lost the part of the video where I poured my milk, but just basically pour in your milk and use your hands to combine everything together. When you're sure it's not looking too sticky and it looks just like this, then you can go ahead to shape your cookies. Just basically take your dough little by little and form a ball and drop it on your baking tray. So lovelies, if you've watched to this point, I believe you've learned 1 or 2 things. On this channel, I make easy homemade recipes that anyone can try at home. If you love videos like this one, go ahead to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family. So go ahead to use a spoon or a fork to flatten your cookies and try to leave space in between. This is because while baking, the cookies might tend to spread out slightly, so you wouldn't want to congest it. So as much as possible, just leave a space in between. Shaping your cookies does not have to be boring. I mean, you can do basically anything with it. You can use a fork to give it a nice design. You can just make it simple by just using a spoon. You're in charge, so just give it the shape you think you'd like it to have. At this point, make sure your oven is being preheated. And even if you do not have an oven, you can actually still bake your cookies. If you'd like me to make a video showing how to bake your cookies without an oven, just let me know in the comments and I'll make a detailed video showing you how to make your own cookies, basically any kind of cookies without an oven. I placed the cookies in the oven and in 10 minutes it was ready. You guys, these cookies tasted really delicious and it was so chewy and soft on the inside. You can enjoy this with milk, tea, or just as a snack that it is. If you love easy baking like me, just let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe because I have a series of easy baking recipes for you. Turn on your notification bell so that you can know whenever I post a new video. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.